Have you ever felt super angry even when things seem okay? If you're an INFJ, you might know this feeling. Today, we're talking about how INFJs show their anger in 7 ways INFJ anger appears. 1. The silent storm. Picture this. You're in a heated discussion with an INFJ, passionately debating a topic. Suddenly, the INFJ falls silent. You may mistake this for acquiescence or agreement, but beware, it's often the calm before the storm. INFJs have a tendency to withdraw when they're angry, retreating into their inner world to process their emotions. This silence can be deafening, signaling the brewing storm of their rage. 2. The idealistic crusade. INFJs are driven by their ideals and values, and when these are threatened or violated, their rage can be ignited with the intensity of a forest fire. They have a strong sense of justice and fairness, and any perceived injustice can trigger their wrath. When an INFJ feels morally outraged, they may embark on a crusade to right the wrong, channeling their rage into activism or advocacy. 3. The cutting critique. INFJs possess a keen intellect and a sharp eye for detail, which they often use to analyze and understand the world around them. However, when their rage is unleashed, this analytical prowess can morph into a cutting critique. INFJs may lash out with a biting sarcasm or brutally honest feedback, leaving others reeling from the unexpected ferocity of their words. 4. The emotional avalanche. Beneath their calm exterior, INFJs are deeply emotional beings, attuned to the feelings of others and acutely aware of their own inner turmoil. When their rage reaches its peak, it can unleash an emotional avalanche, overwhelming both the INFJ and those around them. Tears may flow, voices may rise, and emotions may run rampant as the INFJ struggles to contain the storm raging within. 5. The withdrawn retreat. In moments of extreme rage, INFJs may retreat into solitude, seeking refuge from the chaos of the outside world. They may disappear without warning, retreating into their inner sanctum to lick their wounds and nurse their anger in solitude. This withdrawal can be disconcerting to those who are accustomed to the INFJ's typically warm and empathetic presence, but it's a necessary coping mechanism for the INFJ to process their emotions in peace. 6. The passive-aggressive ploy. While INFJs prefer harmony and cooperation, they're not immune to the allure of passive-aggressive behavior when they're pushed to their limits. Instead of expressing their rage directly, they may resort to subtle jabs, backhanded compliments, or passive resistance to convey their displeasure. This indirect approach allows them to vent their frustration without risking direct confrontation, maintaining their facade of diplomacy intact. 7. The benevolent detonation. Last but not least, INFJs possess a unique ability to harness their rage for positive change. When channeled constructively, their anger can fuel a benevolent detonation, sparking transformative action and inspiring others to follow suit. Instead of succumbing to bitterness or resentment, INFJs may use their rage as a catalyst for growth, propelling themselves and those around them towards a brighter, more enlightened future. In conclusion, the INFJ rage is a multifaceted phenomenon, encompassing a range of expressions from the silent storm to the benevolent detonation. While it may be unsettling to witness, it's important to remember that rage is just one aspect of the complex tapestry that makes up the INFJ personality. By understanding and acknowledging this facet of their nature, we can cultivate deeper empathy and appreciation for the rich diversity of human experience. So, the next time you encounter an INFJ, tread lightly, for beneath their gentle exterior lies the potential for a raging tempest unlike any other.